current admissions for congestive heart failure is a leading cause of morbidity and mortality amongst patients. Also an unnecessary burden on the healthcare system, financially costing billions of dollars a year. Unephra has a unique and innovative solution to that problem. I invested in Unephra not only because I believe in their product, but also the team has a bold vision, rigorous process and design, and the ability to succeed. I would like to introduce Farhad, co-founder and CEO of Unephra.
The best day for a heart failure patient is when they leave hospital and go home to their family. Hopes are high and everyone's happy, but that's not the end. Within few weeks, 1 in 4 patients will find themselves short of breath again, rushing back to the hospital for the same reason, heart failure, and it costs $15,000 on average. There are nearly 7 million people in the US at risk of heart failure, and every year, more than 1 million are hospitalized. Problem is, half of them are readmitted within 6 months. This costs $50 billion today and is rising fast. Payers get stuck with the bill, and hospitals are penalized while patients are at risk of life. Now, how does this happen? After discharge, patients often struggle to follow medication and diet plans. With fragmented tools and low adherence, hospitals lose visibility and miss early warning signs because they rely on patient self-reporting. Unephra bridges that gap with a lab in bathroom. We have built a smart sensor that mounts inside the toilet and keep track of key biomarkers in urine linked to the increased risk of heart failure and share that data with the care team instantly. We have validated our technology with LabCorp standard test with better than 96% accuracy. Ultimately, Unephra allows for proactive intervention to prevent avoidable hospitalization, and this is with minimum efforts from the patients because, guess what? Everyone has to take a pee. Now, there are invasive solutions on market like implant sensors for severe cases. For simple ones, we have weight scales, but adherence is very low and feedback is slow. Unlike other toilet sensors on the market, Unephra is the only clinical passive solutions for fast and accurate reading to address cardiovascular disease management, where our IP and design is focused. Our international patent is pending. We have secured 130 pre-orders from Stanford, and today I'm excited to announce that we are launching our first pilot study with Mid-Atlantic Permanente Medicine right here in Washington, D.C. I'm an ex-Apple senior hardware design engineer. Product myself and team have built are now in hands of hundreds of millions of people. My co-founder, Pedram, is a Stanford nephrologist, intensivist, and a vice chair of medicine. And Saba, our chief medical officer, is a practicing cardiologist. Backed by top advisors, we are the right team to take on this challenge and succeed. Our data as service model generates up to $1,100 per heart failure patients, representing a market opportunity up to $17 billion across heart failure and hypertension. We are starting with heart failure programs in Permanente Medicine and Stanford. We'll scale across US hospitals and then go after other applications. Now, home is the future of connected care, and we are enabling that. Join us today. Thank you.